I said, so Liam, how's it going at PS51? Do you feel like you're learning things? And he said, I do, but it's in a funny way. It's like you're doing all this stuff and playing games and you don't feel like you're learning something. But then when you have to go to do your work, you realize, oh, this is why they had me do that other stuff. So to me, it's like teaching him in a way that is really integrated. Like he's really learning. He's not just memorizing and regurgitating information. It's like experiential, and to me, that's a much deeper level of learning. And like after going through a hard time at another school, and not feeling supported, and not feeling like he was getting what he needed, it was like a complete 180 here, and to hear the words from his mouth was pretty extraordinary.
Wow.